Welcome everyone. Today we are going to talk about something that almost every English learner truly wants. How to learn to speak English step by step. Not confusing methods. Not random tips. Not shortcuts that don't work. Real step-by-step progress. The kind of progress that builds your confidence slowly, clearly, and permanently. The kind of learning where you don't just understand English, but you actually speak it naturally in real life. Many learners spend months or even years trying to improve their English. They watch videos. They read grammar books. They learn vocabulary lists. They understand simple sentences when they read or listen. But when it's time to speak, something stops them. They hesitate. They pause. They feel nervous. They forget words. And slowly, they start believing that speaking English is difficult. But the truth is not that English is difficult. The truth is that most learners are following the wrong process. They are learning pieces, but they are not building a system. And without a system, progress feels slow and confusing. In this video, I am going to give you a clear, practical, step-by-step system to learn spoken English from the beginning to a confident level. This is not just theory. This is not motivation only. This is a real method you can follow every day. If you apply these steps consistently, your English will change. You will speak with more clarity. You will think faster. You will understand better. And most importantly, you will stop feeling stuck. If you're serious about learning to speak English step by step, make sure you subscribe. On this channel, you'll get clear systems, practical strategies, and real guidance to help you speak confidently and improve faster. Subscribe now and let's grow together. Step 1 is to build your foundation with simple English, not difficult English. This is where most learners go wrong in the beginning. They try to learn advanced grammar and big vocabulary too early. They think that difficult words will make them sound fluent. But in reality, fluency is built on simple language used correctly and confidently. Think about how children learn a language. They don't start with complex sentences. They start with very simple expressions like, I want, I need, I'm happy, I'm tired. And they repeat these patterns again and again until they become natural. You must follow the same approach. Start with simple sentence structures and use them daily. For example, learn patterns like, I want to, I need to, I'm going to, I like, I don't like. These patterns are powerful because you can use them in many situations. When you practice simple English deeply, your brain builds strong foundations. And strong foundations make learning faster later. Step 2 is to start speaking from day 1, even if your English is not perfect. Many learners wait for the right time to start speaking. They think, I will speak when my grammar improves, or I will speak when I know more words. But this thinking creates delay. And delay creates fear. Speaking is not the result of learning. Speaking is a process of learning. You must start speaking early, even with simple sentences. Talk about your day. Talk about what you did, what you feel, what you plan to do. For example, you can say, Today I woke up early. I felt tired. I had breakfast. I went to work. These sentences may feel basic, but they are powerful training. When you speak daily, your brain starts connecting ideas faster. Your mouth becomes more comfortable with English sounds. And slowly, your confidence grows. At the beginning, you will make mistakes. That is normal. Mistakes are not failure. Mistakes are practice in action. Step 3 is to focus on high-frequency English instead of rare vocabulary. If you want to speak English in real life, you need the words and phrases that people actually use every day. Many learners waste time learning uncommon words that they never use. But real conversations are built with simple, common language. Words and phrases like, I think, I feel, I understand, I don't know. Can you explain? What do you mean? I used again and again. When you master these expressions, you can communicate in many situations. So instead of learning 20 difficult words, learn 5 useful phrases and practice them deeply. Use them in your own sentences. Repeat them out loud. This approach builds real speaking ability. Because fluency is not about how many words you know. It is about how well you can use the words you know. Step 4 is to create a daily speaking habit, even if you are alone. Many learners believe that they need a partner to practice speaking. But the truth is, you can train your speaking skills by yourself. The most important thing is consistency. You need a simple rule. Speak English out loud every day for at least 10 minutes. Not in your head. Out loud. You can talk about your routine, your goals, your thoughts, your problems. You can also imagine situations like introducing yourself, ordering food, or answering interview questions. When you speak daily, your brain becomes faster at forming sentences. Your hesitation reduces. Your speaking becomes smoother. Even if you feel uncomfortable at first, continue. That discomfort is a sign that you are improving. Over time, speaking will start to feel natural. Step 5 is to train your listening every day because listening supports speaking. Many learners focus only on speaking and ignore listening. But speaking and listening are connected. If you cannot understand English clearly, it becomes difficult to respond in conversations. That is why you must train your ears daily. But do it in a smart way. Do not listen to long content without understanding. Instead, choose short clips and listen deeply. Listen once to understand the general idea. Listen again to catch more words. Then check the transcript if available. Repeat the same clip multiple times. This repetition trains your brain to recognize sounds, patterns, and rhythm. Over time, your listening becomes stronger. And when your listening improves, your speaking also improves automatically. Step 6 is to think in English instead of translating. This is one of the biggest changes you must make if you want to speak faster. Many learners first think in their native language and then translate into English. This process takes time and creates hesitation. To become fluent, you must train your brain to think directly in English. Start with small thoughts. For example, when you are doing something, describe it in English. I'm eating, I'm walking, I'm feeling tired, I need water. These are simple thoughts, but they help your brain switch to English mode. You can also ask yourself simple questions during the day and answer them in English. This creates inner conversation. An inner conversation is a foundation of fluency. When you think in English, speaking becomes faster and more natural. Step 7 is to train your mouth by speaking out loud regularly. Speaking is not only a mental activity, it is also physical. Your mouth needs practice to produce sounds clearly and smoothly. That is why reading silently is not enough. You must speak out loud. One simple method is loud reading. Take a short text and read it out loud every day. Focus on clarity and pronunciation. Another method is repetition. Choose useful sentences and repeat them multiple times. This builds muscle memory. You can also practice speaking in front of a mirror. This helps you gain confidence and improves your expression. When you train your mouth daily, your speaking becomes more natural and less effortful. Step 8 is to use simple filler phrases to avoid silence when speaking. Many learners freeze because they don't know what to say next. But fluent speakers also need time to think. The difference is, they use small phrases to keep the conversation going. Phrases like, let me think, well, I mean, give you time without stopping completely. These phrases make your speech sound more natural and help you stay in control. You don't need many filler words. Just learn 2 or 3 and practice using them in your speaking. This small change can make a big difference in your confidence. Step 9 is to repeat what you learn until it becomes automatic. This is a secret of fast learners. Many people keep searching for new content every day, but they don't repeat what they already learned. Without repetition, nothing becomes natural. When you repeat useful sentences and patterns, your brain creates shortcuts. You don't have to think from the beginning every time. Your mouth starts producing sentences automatically. This is called fluency. So instead of learning new things every day, spend time repeating the most useful things. Practice the same topic for a few days. Improve your sentences. Speak faster each time. This repetition builds real speaking ability. Step 10 is to stay consistent instead of depending on motivation. Motivation changes every day. Some days you feel excited. Some days you don't. If you depend on motivation, your progress will be slow. That is why you need a simple daily routine that you can follow no matter what. Even 30 minutes a day is enough if you do it consistently. For example, 10 minutes speaking, 10 minutes listening, 5 minutes reading, 5 minutes writing. This small daily effort creates big results over time. Consistency keeps your brain connected to English. And when your brain sees English every day, learning becomes faster and easier. Step 11 is to measure your progress so you can see improvement. Many learners feel stuck because they don't see their growth. That is why you should track your progress weekly. Record yourself speaking once a week and listen to it after a few weeks. You will notice improvement in your speed, clarity, and confidence. You can also write a short paragraph every week and check your mistakes. This helps you understand your weak areas. When you measure progress, you stay motivated because you can see real change. And when you see progress, you continue. If you truly want to learn to speak English step by step, remember this. You do not need to be perfect to start. You need to start to become better. Speak even when you make mistakes. Practice even when it feels slow. Repeat even when it feels boring. Stay consistent even when you don't feel motivated. Because step by step, day by day, your English will improve. One day, you will realize that the sentences that once felt difficult are now easy. The fear you once had is gone. And speaking English feels natural. Keep going. Your fluency is closer than you think. And as you continue following these steps, something important begins to change inside you. At first, the progress may feel slow and almost invisible. You might still hesitate. You might still search for words. But if you stay consistent, your brain starts adapting quietly. The sentences that once required effort begin to come naturally. The pauses become shorter. Your thoughts become clearer. And one day, without even realizing it, you start speaking without overthinking. This is a moment when learning turns into ability. This is when English stops being something you study and becomes something you use. Remember, fluency is not built in one day. It is built in small daily actions that seem simple but create powerful results over time. Every sentence you speak, every word you understand, every mistake you correct is a step forward. Do not compare your journey with others. Focus on your own progress. Stay patient, stay consistent, and trust the process completely. Because if you keep moving forward, no matter how small the step is, you are getting closer every single day. Keep practicing, keep improving, and most importantly, keep believing. Your English journey is not far from success. If you enjoyed this story and want to improve your English and your life, make sure to subscribe to the channel and join this learning journey with us. And watch the next story on your screen to continue improving your English.